Want to make your Kajabi pages buttery smooth for your visitors, so they never miss a beat? Let's dive into creating anchor links in Kajabi to build interactive tables of contents and guide your audience exactly where they need to go. First, identify the section of your Kajabi page you want to link to. This could be a headline, a paragraph, or even an image. Now, scroll down to the section settings and look for the section ID field. This is where we'll give our section a unique, memorable name. Type in a phrase that describes the section, using only lowercase letters and hyphens. For instance, if it's your About Me section, you type About Me. Remember this ID, as you'll need it for your link. Next, we create the link itself. Add a new text element or a button where you want your table of contents or navigation link to appear. This is usually at the top of your page. With your text element or button selected, click on the link icon in the URL field. You'll type a hash symbol followed immediately by the section ID you just created. So if your section ID was About Me, you'll enter #AboutMe into the URL field. This tells Kajabi to scroll to the element on this page with that specific ID. Now, when a user clicks this link, they'll be instantly transported to that designated section, making your content much easier to navigate. Repeat this process for each section you want to link to, building out a clear and intuitive table of contents for your Kajabi pages. And there you have it, empowered navigation that keeps your audience engaged and informed.